In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on Alarm section over here next to Clock and add your own by tapping on this plus icon. Over here you need to set up an hour and save it by clicking on OK. Then click on Repeat and pick days of the week, in my case Mondays and Fridays. Now you can disable or enable vibrations by clicking on this square icon next to Vibrate. Add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by tapping on this plus icon next to it, and even click on Label. If you want to label your alarm, type in wherever you wish to and click on OK. Now tap on this little bell icon, choose one of those sources if you wish to, or tap on Dismiss. Now you can click on YouTube Music and log in, or select Sounds. Tap on one of those available ones and go back. If you wish to try something else though, click on the same bell icon, but this time click on Add New under Your Sounds. Then you can select song from your device by tapping on those two lines at the top left corner, clicking on one of those sources, in my case Downloads, and clicking on the song. Then go back again. As you can see, after all that, my alarm was successfully created. In order to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete your alarm, click on Delete at the bottom left corner of it. In order to edit it though, click on it, make some changes, and tap on this little icon. Finally, to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on Settings and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!